We're fucking back, baby. We are back. It's been a while, but we're fucking back. We're in the shed right now on the property. We've had this shed here on the Marketing property for about 12 years. And the light got put in about 6 days ago by the old man. Great job. A little plug-in light with an extension cord leading up to the Marketing household. Yeah, it's pretty dope. So we're in here having a good time. Tomorrow we got work in the AM, and then you gotta grind, man. I would love to just have fun 24/7, 360, but you gotta put in them hours, man. Put in them hours. And then work tomorrow, catching a flight. I won't tell you where we're going, but see you at the fucking top. So we're at Wawa. It's 12:46 a.m. Just finished packing, and I wanted a Pepsi, so we're here now. We're gonna stop by and hit up the roller rink real quick, see what's going on over there, and then probably just go to bed. Got work in the morning. So we're right here at the roller rink. They don't even got the lights on. No one's even skating. So I'm just gonna head home. Got work in the morning. Ready to get the fuck out of here. Got a flight 7:30. It's 4:17 right now. Go Dogs, national champions. Eva's going nuts. Come here, pretty. Here's Chief. Say hi, Chief. Look at the pups. Slugging a high life before we leave. Fucking Vegas, dude. Let's go. Got Pops driving us. Al in the back seat, ready. Be at the airport in 10 minutes. Flight takes off in like an hour and a half. Let's fucking go.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.
Got your ass. Back to the real video.
Another episode of a doggy dog tale. You know me well. You know I'm coming by the smell. I'm here when you see the weed smoke in the air. Party people wave your hands like you just don't care. Grip your enthusiasm. Pen and paper, money maker, let the beat ride. Let me put you up on this nigga from the east side. This nigga born ready, serve a nigga ether with the pen off the head. This nigga flow is dead. Where we at? Right here, Snoop Dogg, I'm with the G-Child. Play something, let me fuck you up just with this freestyle. For sure.
We've been here for about 2 hours now. We're here at the link. We just got a room here just for tonight because we flew in, probably landed like 10:45. And didn't want to get a expensive room just for a couple hours, but so we're here at the link hotel and casino. It's all right. This is dope. Fucking Denny's. At Denny's in Vegas on the strip. Just got a Mile High Denver omelet, cheese, and yo,
this room is amazing.
This is fucking Trump, boys. This is cooking a Red Baron in that fucking oven. Cooking a Red Baron in that fucking oven.
Get me jumping.
Out here, walking to the liquor world. Yeah, out here, it's fucking windy as shit, but it's getting nice. About to go to fucking In-N-Out. I'm starving. Drinking a Michelob. There's no Miller High Life here. It's a bunch of... I'll show you guys the room real quick. We're at the Trump. Fucking favorite part is a full kitchen in a hotel room. That's the first time I've had a full kitchen in a hotel room. That's fucking dope. Here at the Trump, got the suite. Stay fly. This is the first bathroom. The view. Got Stephen A. yelling. He's the master. It's fucking dope. Nice view. Got, you know what? Come over here. Check out the bathroom. Got fucking stand-in shower. Look at this. Jacuzzi tub. My favorite part is you just fucking walk on here, and you walk up here, and it's actually got elevated ceiling, so you can stand right here. Fucking cool, man. Great hotel so far. Keys are actually fucking really cool too. Just fucking chilling in the suite. So Kobe Bryant's soft, and I'm about to show you why. We're here, about to ride a fucking helicopter. It's gonna be fucking lit.
Sorry y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is motherfucking players who get money in motherfucking layers. Sorry y'all, I ain't got no haters. Sorry y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is maids and waiters. All I got is suits and gators. Y'all niggas lost and I'm Las Vegas. Sorry y'all, I ain't got no haters. Everybody love Black Ass Darth Vader. You and your woman love to see me coming. Come through bumping. Little kids running, chasing me down like the ice cream truck. These police, they never light me up. I'm that nigga, baby, hype me up. Fucking up at work, they never write me up. They always hold me down and raise me up. And all these women wanna glaze me up. Never turned down, I'm turned up. You heard me, bitch, I said I'm turned up. Always on 10, always too loud. Always too hard for this bougie ass crowd. Even these haters, they love my style. So I don't know what you're talking about, huh? Sorry y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is motherfucking players who get money in motherfucking layers. Sorry y'all, I ain't got no haters. Sorry y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is maids and waiters. All I got is suits and gators. Y'all niggas lost and I'm Las Vegas.
Service came in, made the fucking beds, gave us towels. Couldn't take the fucking recyclables out, and they didn't even run the goddamn vacuum.
What should I drink for you?
I'm sitting here thinking, what the hell's taking the elevator so long? And next thing you know, I forgot I hit the button. I'm like, I'm on the 56th floor. What's taking so long? Fucking
Going down.
Elevators are fresh as shit up in here, though. Really, really cool. Like, this is the nicest elevator I've ever been in. Ears popping. It's the worst thing. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It's happening right now. I absolutely fucking hate it.
Good shit, bro. Never thought to do this.